Hi, my name is Yahya, and in this video I'm going to be giving you my cold email secrets to increase your results by 500%. Now, if I told you there's an easy way to increase your campaign results by 500%, would you believe me? Because the thing is there is, and that's simply follow-ups. Now, the thing is most people widely underestimate follow-ups, and there's a reason the saying money is in the follow-ups exists. I mean, if people didn't make a bunch of money from sending follow-ups, or if people didn't make money at all from sending follow-ups, then the saying wouldn't even exist in the first place. It only exists because people have done it, and therefore people say it. Now, sending the right follow-ups can be the difference between 10 replies or 100 replies. You don't want to annoy people, you don't want to come across as spammy or as a scammer. You want to obviously provide value and be respectful in all your follow-ups. Now, below is a simple follow-up framework that helped my friend go from a 3% reply rate all the way to an 18% reply rate. Now, the first one is a quick check-in, and this is sent 2 days after the initial first email. Now, the objective of this email is basically to reference the first email and add a touch of personalization. So as you can see, the email is, "Hey name, just checking if you saw my last email about topic. Would love to discuss how we can help you achieve specific goal." Now, as you can see, simple, straight to the point, and easy to read. The second one is the expert, and this is sent after 4 days. Now, the objective is offering a unique insight or piece of value relevant to the prospect to showcase your knowledge. Now, the script is, "Hi name, do you know that unique insight? This could help you, the benefit that would help them. Let's chat." The third one is called Medals of Honor. Now, this is sent after 7 days. The objective is basically to increase trust by showcasing strong past results. As you know, people hate to be the first in business. So the script goes, "Hi name, I reached out the other day to talk about how we can help company name get dream result. Here are some of the results we've generated for similar company type. Result 1, 2, 3, by the way, guarantee or risk reversal if available." Now, if you don't have any case studies, this is very important. You will never convert cold traffic if you don't have a guarantee or risk reversal. If you have case studies, you don't even need this, because this here is good enough. And it ends off with, "When is a good time to have a quick chat?" Now, the fourth one is "now or never," aka the breakup, and this is sent after 9 days from the initial email. Now, basically the objective is to create a sense of urgency by mentioning limited time or slots. The thing is, you want to be natural and honest with this one. So it goes, "Hey name, is now not a good time? Question mark. Reason I'm asking is I only have a few slots left this month for new clients. Would you be against setting up a call for next week?" Now, the thing is, there's 2 points to remember here, right? The first one is, if the initial email is bad, even follow-ups can't help. So you have to make sure it's solid, because the thing is, the follow-ups are being built off the initial email. So you need to make sure your initial email is really good. Another thing is, in some of the follow-ups, you can actually reword the initial email. So you're basically saying the same thing, but reworded, or maybe you make it a bit shorter, or maybe you make it a bit longer and you add more information, more extra information that may make the lead more interested. You need to make sure your initial email is good. Now, the second thing is, follow-ups are not about spamming your prospects, but about creating meaningful conversations, and you need to respect no's. So one thing I want to tell you is, you don't want to just send follow-ups where they're like question marks and things like that, because you'll come across as spammy and being annoying. You want to always be sending case studies. If you're making YouTube videos, send those links to prospects. Say, "I thought you could find this helpful." If you come across like an Alex Amosi video, just forward it to them. Say like, "Hey, Alex Amosi mentions about running a SaaS business, for example. If you contact in SaaS companies, I thought you could find this useful." And obviously, Alex Amosi, everyone knows him in the business world and a good authority. And if you send it to someone, they'll probably watch it and be like, "Oh, thanks for this." And eventually, as time goes on, you'll find some synergy. Now, the thing is, if someone does respond interested to you and they ghost you, and then you follow up, and then after that they say no, just leave them. Contact them back in 4 or 5 months time. Just don't bother them, because the thing is, if you're using like LinkedIn or Instagram or something, you don't want many people reporting your account and blocking your account, because obviously on the algorithm that could be very bad, because a normal account isn't getting reported and blocked as often, and you don't want your main account to get lost that you're using for prospecting. So if they say no, leave them. If you want for market research, you can say, what would you be interested in, or just out of curiosity for our own, personal market research, why was this a no? And then you can just leave that. Don't follow up with that, because that can also be annoying, because they told you no, now you ask another question and you're following up again. Now, the friend I gave this to was running an AI automation agency. Now, before cold email, he tried every possible ad angle out there, but his results stayed very inconsistent. I can't even tell you how much money this dude lost. But I think it was close to, it says I put 6 figures here, but I think it was more like just before 6 figures, so like up high 5 figures. And at first, his cold email results weren't that great, like at all. But when I shared the simple sequence, he literally had a 500% reply rate increase. Now, what's the model here? So basically, cold email success requires follow-ups. Now, increasing volume is also a missing link for 90% of our customers, and the reason is because of timing, right? A common cold email objection is either not the right time, another one is out of office. Now, out of office, you can't really count it as an objection, because that's more of like automated, and sometimes they don't even see your email. So mainly it's not the right time, or we currently working with someone else, or there's always, you'll find very common objections. But the thing is, more volume will increase the chances of landing in the right inbox at the right time, because the thing is, there's only 3% of your market at any given time that's ready to buy immediately, right? And only 47% will be ready in the next 3 to 5, 6 months. So the thing is, you need to keep on nurturing people, so when they're ready to buy, you basically top of mind. Now, the best thing about this is, the only thing we need to increase volume is just to simply get more emails to send to. So obviously we need more inboxes. Obviously we'd have to get more inboxes, and then we go ahead and we don't have to change any settings. We don't have to change the copy. We just need to scrape more emails, so the more inboxes, the new inboxes we got, can contact those emails. Now, it's basically that simple. There's no secret to it. And if you've been wanting to take your auto to the next level, go ahead in the first link in the description. If you are a B2B company, whether you sell a service or product to businesses, we can definitely help you get more clients, increase your revenue, increase your pipeline. So if you're interested in that, go ahead, book a free one-on-one call with me, and we'll just discuss a custom strategy of how to get you a bunch more clients. So yeah, if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe, click one of the next videos of mine next to me, and yeah, as always, I'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.